Do you know you can now buy data on Bittoken? And when you buy this data, you are going to get free RP points. Yes, you heard me right. I know when you guys see this thumbnail, you are like, how is it possible to buy data on Bittoken? But I'm going to show you. You are going to see the magic. All you have to do is to stick to this video from beginning to the very end without you skipping any part. Okay? So if you are new to my channel, I am Treasure. What I share you on this my channel is all about app tutorials, earning apps, when you can earn just by doing simple online tasks with your internet connection, just with your smartphone, with no investment required. Okay, so all I need from you is just to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss out whenever I drop new videos. So let's watch the main video now. When you look here on my screen, you are going to see Kabakco. As you can see right here on my screen, this is Kabakco website. Bittoken just included it so that participants can actually buy data from this particular website. And when you buy this data, you are going to be getting free RP points, which you can transfer to this your RP point balance from Kabakco website to your Bittoken balance. Okay, and how do you go about it? You are going to create an account on this Kabakco website. Then from there, you are going to connect your Bittoken and transfer all the RP points to this your RP point here. You understand? But before that, you must make sure that you are going to use the email that you used to sign up on Bittoken and create this account. Don't use any other email so that it will connect successful. Now, click on Kabakco here. When you click on it, it is going to redirect you to the website. So hold on. If you have account already, just click on login and put your password and your email address. But if you never create account, just click on login. Then you scroll down and click on create account here. I've already created my account. So I'm going to show you how you are going to fill in your information now before I log in to my dashboard. Now, this place you are seeing full name. Put your first name, your second name, and your last name as it is on your ID. Then, this email address. Put the email address that you used to sign up on Bittoken. Now, we are going to click this arrow and get your country code. Then, after getting your country code, sorry. Let me go back. Go to create account. So this country code, you are going to click on this arrow and get your country code and input your phone number here. After that, you click on this arrow again to get your country. Click on this arrow and scroll and get your country. For example, now let me choose my country here, Nigeria. Let me choose Nigeria. You pick your country. You understand? Then you put your password. Put your password here and confirm the password here. After that, you are going to solve this simple mathematics and click on create account. When you click on create account, they are going to send you message to your email. You go there and confirm your email. That's all. Then you are going to click on sign in for you to sign into your dashboard. Now I'm going to type in my email address here and I'm going to solve this mathematics here. After putting your email, your password, and solve this mathematics, just hit on sign in. Okay, as you can see, I'm successful signing my account. So guys, this is where you are going to buy that data we are talking about. As you can see, the data was 1,350 naira for 5 gigabytes that will last for 1 month. Why they are giving it out for 1,150 naira? Yes. Then you can scroll. This one is 480 naira for 2 gig. Then this one is 5 gig for 1,120 naira for 14 days. So that is how you can buy data. Let's check for, click on see all for you to see both Glo, Airtel and MTN. So this is for Airtel. When you click on see all, you can buy 435 naira. You can spend 435 naira to buy 1 gig that will valid for 1 day on Glo. Then this one is you can buy you can use 780 naira to buy data for 3 GB that will last for complete 2 days. Yes, that is how you are going to buy it. And after buying it, you are going to be seeing the RP points given to you. If you buy this one that is 435 naira for 1 GB that will last for 1 day, you are going to be seeing 864 RP points will be given for you for free. And this 170 naira you are seeing here, don't worry, I'm going to explain it better. Okay, so this one is if you buy the one of 780 naira for 3 GB that will last for 2 days, you are going to be getting 1554 RP points for free. Yes, down to this one that is 3100 naira, you are going to be getting 10 GB data for 1 month, and you are going to be getting 620 RP points from this particular one. Yes, so let's go to Glo. When you click on CTC AWUF, this is MTN 2. As you can see, this is MTN 2. So let's go and click on CTC AWUF. Okay, this is MTN 2. Let's go to Glo. You click on Glo here. This one is 220 naira for data that will last for 1 month. But this particular one now, I don't believe it. How can you buy 220 naira data and it will last for 1 month? I don't believe this one. You understand? So you can just go for the one that is depends on your pocket though. Yeah, depends on your pocket. You can actually buy this one 220 naira for at least it will last for only 1 day, and you are going to be getting 440 RP points. Yes, if you go for this one that is 2050 naira, you will spend 2050 naira to buy data that will last for 1 month, and you are going to be getting 4100 naira RP point. Then this one is 4048 naira. You are going to spend it to buy data that will last for you 1 month, and you are going to be getting 8100 naira RP point for free. Now let me show you. Let me go to my balance. Click on my account here. As you can see, this is my balance. I purchased data of 220 naira just to check if it is going to work out. Okay, so that is why you are seeing this balance here. And when I buy the data, I was given this amount here, 460 RP points just for me to buy data. And you are buying this data cheap, and you are also getting RP point for free. And this RP point, you are going to transfer it to your Bittoken from this Kabakco website to your Bittoken account. Yes, that is very, very amazing. Now, that is how you buy data very, very cheap and also get free RP points. So let's go and top up. This is how you top up. When you click on my account, okay, then you scroll and click on my wallet here. Then you scroll down, scroll down, and click on Fund Naira Wallet. This place now, click on it. Click on this arrow. Then you click on PalmPay. Pay from any bank in Nigeria. So they partner with PalmPay. And this is what I want to tell you. If you copy the account number, make sure you transfer the money immediately before even 1 minute pass, because after 1 minute or thereabout, if you transfer it, you are not going to receive it because they are going to generate new one for you. You understand? So immediately you copy the account number, make sure that you are transferring it immediately, or instead you can generate another account number. That is how it works. So you type in the amount you want to send here, right? You want to send from your bank here. So let me say, let me just fund 500. You understand? Then you click on pay. Click on pay. So let's check. When you click on pay, they are going to generate your account number now. You copy it immediately and go and transfer it. So click on pay now. Then you copy this account number immediately and head over to your either OPay or any bank account you are using and transfer it. So let me log in and transfer this 500 naira. So let me log in. Sorry. So this is my account. I'm going to transfer this immediately. Then paste the account number you copied. You understand? Type in Palmpay. Remember the name is Palmpay. Just type in Palmpay here. So this is it. Just click on next and click on confirm and put the amount you want to withdraw. What am I even doing? Put the amount you want to send and click on confirm. So guys, I just transferred the 500 naira. So let me minimize and go back to Kabakco website and check if, as you can see, it is successful. As you can see, just click on complete. So guys, as you can see, my balance just increased. This is 617 naira now. As you can see, this is 617 naira. So let's head over and transfer and buy data, right? So click on home. Click on home. This is my balance now. So click on home and check the one you want to buy. Is there any cheaper data here I can just get and show you guys how it works? Okay, this one that is 416 naira. Is it going to work? Let me check the one of 500. This one is how much? 570 naira. Let me check if there is one of 600. Click on see all. Let me check. Let me check. No one. So let me go back to the other one. Let me go back. Let me buy this one that is 517 naira to buy 2 gig. It will last for 1 day. You understand? You can actually buy this one. This one is 415 naira. It will still last for 1 day. So let me buy this one. Click on buy. When you click on buy, you are going to type in your phone number here. So let me type in phone number. Then you click on proceed checkout. So they say it must be 11 digits. So add the 0. You understand? And click on proceed to checkout. So they say pay now. As you can see, I'm going to pay 517 naira. Remember, this my RP point is 400 and something, right? And my balance here is 670. So let's buy. Click on pay now and click on pay with my balance, my wallet. So let's check. Let's hold on and know what's up. So as you can see, it is successful. As you can see, I just buy data of 500 and something naira that will last for 1 day. So guys, as you can see, they just credited me. This is how it works. So let's go to balance and check if my RP point increased or not. So guys, as you can see, this is my RP point right here, and this is my remaining balance here. Now, how are you going to transfer this your RP point to your Bittoken? Assuming, let me say, in 1 month, every 4 days or 5 days, you are going to be buying data, right? So assuming you accumulate like 5,000 RP points here, or depending, this is how you are going to transfer it from this Kabakco website to your Bittoken. Now let's check how we can do it. You can come here and put your phone number and put your nickname and save it. You understand? So, but let me go and put my, let's go. Let me know how we are going to send this RP points to our Bittoken. Yes. Click on convert history. I want to check something. Click on I'm coming. Click on my balance. Okay. Let's check. When you click on my balance, alright, so when you click on my balance, this is where you're going to type in the RP point you want and click on transfer to BTT to Bittoken. Okay, when you click on my wallet here, my account. When you click on my account, you click on my wallet. Then you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. As you can see, this is where you will type the RP point you want to withdraw and click on transfer to Bittoken. But before that, they say miner ID not set. You need to add your Bittoken miner ID to your profile before you can transfer the RP. So let me add my miner ID. Click on go to profile. When you click on go to profile, you are going to type in your Bittoken ID here. Just minimize and go to your Bittoken. So this is my Bittoken. So let me copy my ID. Click on profile. Click on profile. Then this is my miner ID. Just copy it. When you copy it, you come back here and paste it. You paste it. Then you click on save changes. Okay. Successful, as you can see. So after adding your full name and your Bittoken ID, then you click on save changes. After that, you are going to now transfer the RP to your Bittoken app, right? But currently it is not yet live, but let me just show you how you are going to transfer it. In case if they open it, you can just come on my account here. You scroll and click on my wallet after adding your Bittoken ID. If you do not add your Bittoken ID, they will not allow you to type in the amount of RP. You understand? When you come down here, assuming you never add your Bittoken ID, when you come down here and try to type, they will not allow you to type. So you got to add your Bittoken ID first and save it before you can come down here and click on RP amount and type in. Let me say you have accumulated like 5,000 RP so far, and when it goes live, you can just click on transfer to Bittoken and click on yes transfer. As you can see, this is what is showing. RP transfer to Bittoken app is coming soon. Please check back later. So once this thing is live, all you have to do is just to type in the RP you have accumulated so far while buying data, and they are giving you RP for free. You can just come down here and type it and click on transfer to Bittoken. Then you confirm it. They are going to send it to your Bittoken app immediately. Guys, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel for you not to miss my latest videos. So that is why this Kabakco website works. And when you come to Bittoken, you can also chat on Bittoken. Yes, you can also chat. When you come to Bittoken, this chat bar or chat icon, when you click on it, so this is where you are going to paste your friend's ID so that you can still chat them up here. Okay, as you can see what I did, when you come to Bittoken, okay, just click on mine. Once you click on mine, you click on this message icon and click on this plus sign here. Then you can now paste their ID. Assuming I want to chat this person, I can just type in, maybe I want to say hi. I will now say like activate your miner. You understand? Something like this. I will now click on send. Once this person is online, as you can see, this person is not active. Once this person is active, it will show blue line. It will show that they read the message and they are going to reply. That is how you can also chat your friends here. Okay, so yeah, that is the new update on Bittoken now. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell icon for you not to miss my latest videos. See you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.